Namaskar. Our ancient yogis, they place as much importance on internal hygiene as they did on physical posture and breath control. Just as we clean our body daily, our nasal passage also needs a regular cleansing for clear breathing and optimal health. In yoga, this practice falls under the category of Shatkarma, a set of 6 powerful detox techniques designed to purify the body from within. One such kriya is Sutra Neti, a unique and advanced nasal cleansing practice that goes beyond just clearing mucus, while Jal Neti, where we use saline water, helps with basic nasal cleansing. Sutra Neti goes deeper, removing sticky mucus, trapped dust, and even stubborn blockages that might be affecting our breathing. Before we go into the detail and understand the process, remember Sutra Neti is an advanced technique and should be learnt under the guidance of a teacher. So let's prepare to do Sutra Neti. First, take a catheter. Catheter must be sterilized properly. So immerse it in a boiling water with a pinch of salt for 20-30 minutes. Also wash your hands thoroughly before handling it. Then find a calm and clean place for your practice. Sit in Sukhasana or any meditative posture for a few minutes to relax. Do preliminary conditioning in Sukhasana or any meditative posture. Sterilize the catheter, which is a rubber tube of approximately 2 to 3 mm diameter and 14 to 18 inches in length, by immersing in a container of boiling water with pinch of salt, and cover the lid and let it remain for 20-30 minutes. Wash your hands with soap and rinse them thoroughly. Now stand comfortably. Gently insert the catheter into right nostril. Holding the other end, slowly put the catheter in nostril in upward direction until it comes down from the back of the throat. If you are experiencing difficulty in inserting the catheter, then you can slowly twist the catheter upwards into the nostril or move your head to adjust. Open your mouth and grab the catheter using the middle finger and index finger. Gently pull the catheter out. The one end of the catheter is out of mouth. Hold both the ends of the catheter and move the catheter to and fro. It is like a gharshan. Do it several times and then remove the catheter from the mouth. Repeat the same procedure from the left nostril. Blow out gently any water discharge in the nostril. After this, do Yogendra Kapalabhati, that is, breathe in and breathe out softly the air in the nostril. It would be good if you lie down after this practice for 15 minutes. Avoid sitting under fan or air conditioner after doing this. After the practice is over, clean the catheter and store it, make it dry and keep it in a clean place for the next use. Practice this in the morning with empty stomach before breakfast. Practicing Kapalbhati after Sutra Neti is very essential. If you have severe nasal congestion, chronic nose bleed, nasal polyp or deviated nasal septum, it's best to avoid Sutra Neti. If you are unsure, consult the yoga therapist before trying. Every Saturday, we have a program called Samatvam at the Yoga Institute. You can come for free consultation and meet our therapist for guidance. Now let's see the benefits of Sutra Neti. It thoroughly clears the nasal passages and sinuses, helping you breathe better. It reduces your risk of respiratory infection and allergies. Those suffering from sinusitis, rhinitis, migraine, asthma and bronchitis also find big relief after doing this. It also improves your mental function, as proper breathing enhances the oxygen flow into your brain. Those who suffer from depression, Sutra Neti is very good for them. Here I will give you some additional tips. If you struggle with nasal congestion often and pressed for time, do Jal Neti daily and Sutra Neti twice a week. Keep your environment clean, avoid dust and pollution, and strong artificial fragrances that can irritate your nasal passages. A diet rich in spices like turmeric, ginger, and black pepper can help keep mucus level in check. The Ayurvedic herb called Adulsa or Visakha is also effective for getting rid of mucus. Stay hydrated Warm water with pinch of salt works wonder for nasal health. Sutra Neti is not just about clearing your nose, it is also about purifying your breath and mind. When your breath is clear, your thoughts are clear and your energy flows effortlessly. Namaskar.